how to enable text message notifications on Android. Hey everybody, if you'd also like to do so, you may just head over and follow up the steps. So you can navigate to your messaging app settings. For that, head over and open up the messaging app and tap on the three dot in the top right corner. And once you tap on it, go over the settings option and open up the settings. After you open up the settings, you can just look out for the option called which notifications. Tap on it, and once you tap on notifications, it will take you to the section that in order to enable it, you just need to tap on this option called show notifications. Tap on it, turn it on if this is not turned on. After that, you can even select if you'd like sound and vibration, like if you'd like notification sound or not, and you can even customize it by selecting it deliver quietly, and that is it. So in order to enable text message on your Android device, you may just head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.